So the process to download and install iOS 15 on your iPhone is quite easy and simple. First, you need to make sure that you have the compatible device for iOS 15. For that, you need to simply consult to this list on apple.com, and here the list includes iPhone 13 and all the models, iPhone 12 all the models, iPhone 11 all the models, iPhone X all the models, iPhone 8 all models, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, and 6s and 6 Plus. So other than that, iPhone SE first generation and iPhone SE second generation plus iPod Touch is compatible for iOS 15. Afterwards, you have your device in this list. You need to simply go to your settings on your iPhone, and once you're here, you need to simply scroll down a bit until you see the general. So here you can see the general. Tap on general. Inside general, you will be able to see the software update, and here it would say checking for update. In my case, it says iOS 14.8, your phone software is up to date. But at the bottom, you can see also available upgrade to iOS 15. So in some of the cases, you might not be able to see this upgrade to iOS 15. That is because your software, the previous software is not up to date. So first you need to go up to the level of 14.8, and then you'll be able to directly download the iOS 15. So to download and install iOS 15 on your iPhone, simply tap on upgrade to iOS 15, and here it says the Apple 3.11 GB the size, and you can simply tap on download and install. It would ask for your passcode. Enter the passcode, and once you do so, it says the downloading process has started. And one thing that and here's the terms and agreement. Tap on agree, again tap on agree. And one thing that you need to take care of is that during this process you should plug your iPhone with the power, and during the process the iPhone will restart a few times. It will automatically download. You don't need to do anything. It will automatically download and install the software, and this thing could take a bit of a time. So you need to plug in your phone and chill, and within, you can say, an hour, the update will be downloaded and installed as well. So now I am downloading. So you can see the download has started. Now as the servers are busy because the iOS 15 has just launched, it would take a bit of a time. Later on, the servers will be available and would work really fast. So in my case, you can see it's saying 31 minutes remaining, and certainly through the process you do not need to do anything. Just wait for the process to automatically download and install the software, and once the software is downloaded, it will ask you for your permission to restart. So simply allow that, and your iOS 15 will be available to you in, you can say, maybe 1 hour. So hope it has helped you in downloading and installing iOS 15 on your iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.